Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can connect your account to Europe on Tool4seller app. For that, just open the Tool4seller app. So after opening the app, here we need to go to the Me option or our profile option. On the bottom right corner we can see the Me option right there, just tap on it. So when we reach here we can see the purchase add-ons option on just below the buy now option. Just tap on the purchase add-ons option. So when we reach here we need to go to the manage marketplaces option. Just tap on the manage marketplaces option, and when we reach here we can see the add more options on the top right corner. Just go to the add more options. So here we can see the Europe option. Just tap on it, choose the Europe right here, and then we need to just choose the tap on the next option. So if we do that, we need to sign in here to your Amazon Seller Central. So this is how you're gonna connect your account to Europe on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.